Yeah, good evening, dear students. I am going to explain. Yes. Today topic is binomial theorem. I am going to explain binomial theorem. This is one of the important topic in the first PUC. In that, definitely one 5 marks question that they will ask state and prove binomial theorem. No doubt. They will ask state and prove binomial theorem. Directly they will ask state and prove binomial theorem only. They will ask state and prove binomial theorem. They are going to ask state and prove binomial theorem. They will ask. Another one, they will ask here, sometimes they will ask for 3 marks questions, so 3 marks and 5 marks. Only 2 types questions we have, 3 marks and 5 marks. In 3 marks, they may ask here like expansion of the binomial theorem, or they may ask here, in this case, sometimes they may ask find the middle term, find the independent term of x, find the coefficient of x power 5 or x squared. This type of problem they are going to ask here. This is a simple topic. Just I will explain the main concept also. Try to understand this. This is a simple concept. From the beginning I will explain. If you follow today class, easily you can score definitely minimum 7 marks, minimum 8 marks you can score. Minimum 8 marks easily you can score. Minimum 8 marks you can score. The people who joined the class, please update me your name in the chat box. Now, I will continue the class now. You can see that. So, this is a binomial theorem. When they are talking binomial theorem, you can see, for example, like this, they will expand a plus b whole power n. A plus b whole power, if it a plus b whole power n. When I have taken this, they will write here, this is nc naught, a power n, nc1, a power n minus 1 b power 1, nc2 a power n minus 2 b square plus nc3 a power n minus 3 b3. They will express like this. Like this I can write nc2 a power n minus 2 b square. I am writing plus nc3 a power n minus 3 b square, nc4 a power n minus 4 b square. So here this is b cube, a and b power 4 here, and so on I can write, and so on, plus last term ncn b power n. This is binomial expansion. You can see here nc naught a power n. This n is called index of the binomial. nc1 power of a should be difference of n and 1, b power 1, this suffix is the b power of b, nc2 a power n minus 2 b square, nc3 a power n minus 3 b3, and so on they will write. Here this is called here nc naught always you see nc naught, nc1, nc2, and so on, ncn are called binomial coefficients. These are all binomial coefficients. We are saying these are the binomial nc0, nc1, nc2, they are called binomial coefficients. We will say binomial coefficients. Generally in permutation combination, we know how to find this nc0, nc1 values. Anyway, I will try to remember here. Suppose nc0 and ncn both are same, equal to 1, remember. Please remember. nc0 and ncn both are equal. So again, both are equal means always remember, we have in Permutation combinations, always remember NCR equal to NCN minus R. These two are same. This property we have NCR equal to NCN minus R. NCR equal to NCN minus R. The suffix N minus R. These two are same. You remember this. NCR equal to NCN minus R. These two are same. They come properly. Like this. These two are same. That is the reason. NC not NCN, N minus. You can see NCR, NCN minus R. So NCN, N minus N same. NC not equal to NCN minus N. Both are same, equal to 1. Again remember NC1. NC1 is equal to N always. For example, 5C1, 5. 5C1, 5. Like 7C1, 7. I am giving you example. NC0, 5C0, 1 only. 5C5, 1 only. Remember that values. NC1 is N. 5C1 is 5. 7C1 is 7. Understood? You observing this one I am telling. 5C0 is 1. Even 5C5, 1 only. Remember. Look into the table. 5C0 is 1. Even 5C5 is 1. 5C5 is equal to 1. Just observe that one, the table, that box, you can see that. Just I am giving an idea about this. How to simplify the values. Suppose you want to find, generally we know formula NCR. What is NCR formula? N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. That is the formula for NCR. NCR equal to N factorial by R per N minus R factorial. This is R. N minus R factorial you can write for NCR means. Using this we can find. But I will tell you another way also. For example, I want NC2. Simply we will write 2 consecutive factor N into N minus 1 by 2 into 1. This is NC2. You can use formula or you write NC2 means N into N minus 1 2 into 1. You can use this. Suppose you want NC3. NC3 means write 3 consecutive factors. N into N minus 1, N minus 2. Consecutive factors. Reduce 1, 1. N minus, this is N into N minus 1, N minus 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. So either you can use formula or you can use this. This is the way to simplify NC to NC3. Still if you have doubt, you can ask me, I can explain. Anything if you have doubt, please ask me, I can explain again. You should ask number of times. I am here to explain. I can explain again if you have doubt. Now you can see now. When I am doing this NC0, NC, like this anyone I can find here. The values I can find here. But in binomial, always remember, we use the term general term. What is the meaning of general term? I can use, when you are taking general term, always the word general term is TR equal to NCR, A power N minus R, B power R. This is called general term. This is A power N minus R. They will write TR, we can write TR plus 1 equal to NCR, A power N minus R, B power. This is called general term. TR plus NCR, A power N minus R, B power. To solve many problems, we are going to use this formula. So remember, this is B power R. TR plus NCR, A power, B power. Why? Because anything. Suppose you want first term, put R equal to 0. Put R equal, you get first term. Put R equal to 1, you get second term. TR plus 1, NCR, A power, N minus B power R. This is called general term. Always, many people they may say, this is called general term. Say general term, TR plus 1, NCR, A power, N minus R, B power R is called general term. That you remember. TR plus 1. NCR, A power, M minus R, B power R, general term. Just you remember this point. Using this point, I am going to explain the problems. Now only 3 marks and 5 marks question they will ask here. So whenever the concept comes, again I will discuss about how to find middle term, that also I am going to explain. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x whole power 6. Straight away I am going to do 3 marks question. They are asking only 3 marks question and they are asking one expansion. State and prove binomial theorem. Only these questions you will get. Now you can see what I am going to explain now. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of. When they are asking independent term, remember, independent of x are coefficient. Whenever they are asking in the problem, if you see the word independent of x are coefficient of something, use the general term. So what is general term? I told you, tr plus 1. tr plus 1 is your general term. I can write ncr a power n minus r b power. This is general term. I can use this one to solve any problem. General independent of x or anything. This is important. This is called general term. Just now I discussed. Here I can write tr plus 1 is equal to. Just observe here. This is the most important one. tr plus 1 equal to. What is n value here? 6. 6 is cr. A means first term. 3x square by 2. I can write 3x square by 2. N minus r. 6 minus r. Into p means minus 1 by 3x whole power. R means here r only. Because they are asking find the term independent of x. Write general term. Then for every problem either independent term or they are asking coefficient of something. Start with the tr plus 1. Definitely you get 1 mark here writing that formula. So replace tr plus 1. N value 6 here. A means first term in the given binomial. A is this one. B is minus 1 by 3x. Including negative sign you should consider. Now I can write this one. I just observe here. 6 is CR. This is 3 power. This is 3 by 2. So take number 3 by 2. Whole power 6 minus R. Here minus 1 by 3. Whole power R. This is x power. You can check the multiply this 2 into 12 minus 2 or most important 2 into 6 minus R. 12 minus 2 R by. Here you will get x power R. It comes like x power R. This is important. Many people they will do mistake here only. Be careful. I have written 3 by 2 whole power 6 minus R. This whole power 6 minus R. And x square I have written minus 1 by 3 whole power R. X power 2 into 6 minus 12 minus 2 by x power R. Now we can write 6CR 3 by 2 whole power 6 minus R minus 1 by 3 whole power R. This is like a power m by a power and a power m minus n. It will become 12 minus 3R. Because 12 minus 2R by x power R, take it up. A 12 minus 2R minus R, 12 minus 3R. But they are asking independent of x means we don't want x term in that term. So independent of x means we don't want x term in that. So I can, since independent of x you should get, to get independent of x power 12 minus 3R should be equal to x power 0. You can write to get independent term of x power 12 minus equal x power 0. Now it implies compare bases are equal, compare the exponents. 12 minus 3R equal to 0. Then you will get R is equal to 4. Correct? 3R is equal to 12, R is equal to 4. We got R value 4. R is equal to 4 we got. Now in the above step, replace R is equal to 4. TR plus 1 we know. You can replace, now I can replace here, this will become T. Substitute here 4 plus 1. 6C4, wherever R write 4. 3 by 2. Whole power 6 minus 4. Minus 1 by 3. Whole power 4. If we write x power also, now we can verify. 12 minus 12 it comes. If you verify, no problem. If we substitute in this, because we want x independent of x. Now 6C4, I will tell you how to expand. I told one formula, NCR equal NCN minus R. 6C4 is nothing but 6C2. So, sir, 6 minus 4 is 2. This is 3 by 2. Whole power, this is 3 by 2. Be careful, 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole power 4 means 4 is even number. It will be 1 by 3 power 4, right? This is 1 by 3 power 1 by 81 into x power 0. So how you got 6c2? I told NCR equal NCN minus R. So 6 minus 4, 2 I can write. Remember here, this case 6c4 is 6c2. How you got this? 6 and 4 difference is 2 I can write. So I will tell you again, I will remind you that one. So which is equal to 6c2 means 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 into 1 by 81. Then I can simplify this, 9 nines I can simplify, and this one you can see 2 threes. I can simplify this, right? 2 threes again, 3 I can simplify now. This is 2 3 6. Again this one 3 3 is 9. It will be 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Correct. Remember the people they get doubts. Sir, how you get 6c4 to 6c2? With the formula I told you, NCR equal to NCN minus R. This I use it there. There is a 6c4 equal to 6c2. So when can I use this formula? To reduce the suffix. We have suffix is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Like that, to reduce that I have done that. How we have used this formula. Answer is 5 by 12. Please ask me if you have doubt in the given problem. If you need doubt, please ask me. I will explain again. Is it clear the above problem? If you have doubt, you can ask me. I understood the problem what I explained. If you have doubt, please ask me. I can explain again. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I can explain. Again, this is the problem. Independent of x. Write general term. Then x power 12 minus 3 or x power 0. X r equal to 4. Substitute r equal to 4 in the given problem. Then you simplify. Your answer will be 5 by 12. Next, they are asking middle term. So before doing middle term, I will discuss some theory part. Then I will tell you how to find middle terms. Suppose when in any binomial expansion, when they are asking middle term, first look into the binomial power. When the binomial power is, suppose for example, I will explain the problem first. A plus b whole power n. Suppose n is even. When n is even, always remember middle term equal to, when n is even, suppose n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 means you will get 4 terms. Binomial expansion, remember, when the expose, for example, a plus b whole square, if you expand, we get 3 terms. A plus b whole cube, if you expand, we get 4 terms. The number of terms in the binomial expansion, 1 more than the index of the binomial. Remember, in a binomial expansion, here how many terms you will get in this expansion? N plus 1 terms it comes. In binomial expansion, power is n. Number of terms will be n plus 1 terms. For example, a plus b whole square, 3 terms will be there. A plus b whole power 5, 6 terms will be there. Correct. For n is even. For example, n is equal to 2. If you expand a plus b whole square, you will get 3 terms. Middle term will be only 1 term will be there. Whenever n is even, middle term is equal to, remember formula T n plus 2 by 2. This is your formula. When they are talking middle term, so this is middle term, MIDD, middle term is equal to Tn plus 2 by 2. Whenever n is even. That is the formula to find middle term when n is even. Suppose n is odd. Suppose a plus b whole cube, we get 4 terms. Suppose n is odd, remember. When n is odd. When n is odd, here always remember when they are talking middle term in this case, you will get middle terms you will get. Whenever n is odd, middle terms you will get, that will be Tn plus 1 by 2, Tn plus 3 by 2. You will get 2 terms. Whenever n is odd, we get 2 middle terms. N is even, we get only 1 middle term. Understood, I think. Remember, when n is odd, power is odd, middle terms will be 2. Tn plus formula this one. What is t? Term this one. Tn plus 1 by 2, Tn plus 3 by 2. Even means Tn plus 2 by 2. Now in the given problem you can see the power is 10. N is equal to 10 is even. In the given n is equal to 10, this is even number, right? So n is equal to 10 is even, correct? This number is even. So even means I should find the middle term, only one uter. This is the formula middle term. N is equal to 10, I got Tn plus 2 by 2. So I will write middle term equal to T n plus 2 by 2. T, what is n value? 10. 10 plus 2. I hope you understood this. T 10 plus 2 by 2. T 12 by 2. T 6 it comes. If I expand, you will get 11 terms. You can take it left side 5 terms, right side 5 terms. The middle term will be T6. T6 is the middle term. We get middle term is equal to T6. Then how to find T? They are asking to find the T6. Then I will tell you now how to find T6. I will tell you now. So T6 you should find here. Middle term is T6. How to find T6? To find T6, first of all, beginning you will write general term. What is general term? TR plus 1. NCR. I will write NCR. A power n minus r b power r. So you replace. I want here. What is n? I will replace. A means here x by 3. B means 9y. N is equal to 10. But I want T6. Take r is equal to 5. If you take r is equal to 5, T 5 plus 1, n value 10, index of the binomial 10C5. You see T plus 5 plus 1, 6, r equal to 5. Sir, why you have taken r equal to 5? To get 6, I want T6. T6 means replace r with 5. T 5 plus 1, 10C5. A means x by 3. Whole power n minus r. 10 minus 5. R value 5. And B means 9y. Whole power r, b power, this is b power r, right? B power is, always remember general term we should remember, b power r. So what is this is a r means 5 here. I will get like this. This implies, you observe here, the T5 plus T6 or T5 plus 1 T6 equal to, I am going to simplify, T6 is equal to 10C5, x by 3 whole power 10 minus 5 only, x by 3 whole power 5, and this is 9y whole power 9 power 5 into 3 power 5 I can write. I can write 9 power 5 in 9 power 5 into 3 y power 5 power 5. So if you want I can make it this one, I can simplify here. T6 is equal to 10C5. If I use NCR, NCN minus r, same thing it comes, 10 minus 5 only. When bigger number you can leave it like this. 10C5, this is x power 5 by 3 power 5. 9 power 5, 3 square, 3 power 10. Wow sir, 3 square whole power 5, 3 power 10. Into y power 5. No, I can eliminate, you can simplify if you want, I can simplify. 3 power 5 will go this one 5 times here. That will come, your answer is 10C5. But you know how to 10C5 you can simplify. Or you can leave it 10C5, x power 5, y power 5, you can see x power 5. You get 3 power into 3 power 5, 3 power 5 into x power 5 into y power 5. You will get like this. This is your answer. 10C5 into 3 power 5, x power 5, y power 5. If time is there, you simplify 10C5 also. This is the required answer. 10C5, 3 power 5, x power 5, y power 5 is your answer. We got like this, right? They are asking middle term. 6th is the middle, T6 is the middle term. I have taken T6. I have used the formula 10C5, x by 3 whole power 10 minus 5, 9 by whole power 5. You simplify. You will get like this. You simplify. You can stop here. If you have time, you simplify 10C5. I explained how to simplify 10C5. How to simplify 10c5? 10 into 9 into 8 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 power 5. You can simplify. This I can x power 5, y power 5 also into, I can y power 5 also, I can write like this. That's all. Like this you can find middle term. That is important one, to find the middle term. So middle term they are asking. I explained, whenever power is even, one middle term it comes. When power is odd, we get two middle terms. When the power is odd, we get two middle terms. Remember that. Next, find the coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 in a minus 2b whole power 12. This was a simple problem. See, this is a very simple problem. You can observe this problem. Find the coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 in a minus 2b whole power 12. When they have taken this one, when they are asking coefficient of this, first you write general term. When they are asking coefficient or middle term also, always general term. TR plus 1. You write NCR. NCR. A power n minus r. B power r. You write general term. Then you substitute. What is n value here? 12. 12 CR. A means A only here. A power 12 minus r. In the place of b, minus 2b we have. Minus 2b whole power r. You write that. Right. You can write like this. Now I'm going to simplify this one. 12 CR. This is a power 12 minus r. Minus 2 is here. Here minus 2, because minus 2 I will write. Minus 2 whole power r. A power 12 minus r. B power r. But they are asking coefficient of a power 5 b power 7. That means to get coefficient of a power 5 b power 7, to get that coefficient, I can equate a power 12 minus r, b power r should be equal to a power 5 b power 7. Sir, why sir? Because they are asking, find the coefficient of a power 5 b power 7. These terms I should compare like this. A power 12 minus r, b power r should be equal to a power 5 b power 7. Now comparing both sides, 12 minus r is equal to 5 and r is equal to 7. If we compare b coefficient, b power r equal to 7. Here also same. 12 minus r equal to 5, r equal to 7 only, satisfying. Either you can take it r equal to 7, 12 minus r is equal to 5, r is equal to 7 only. Satisfying. We got r is equal to 7. So here you substitute r equal to 7 here. It comes now. If we substitute r equal to 7 in this, put r equal to 7, t7 plus 1, 12c7. Because if I substitute here, 12c7 minus 2 whole power 7, a power 12 minus 7, it will be 5 and b power 7. So it comes now, the final answer, it comes t7 plus t8. This will be t8. t8 equal to 12c7 minus power is odd number. It comes power, since power is odd number, now you will get this one, 1 to minus 128. Again write minus 128 into 12c7 a power 5 b power 7. Therefore coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 is equal to, I can conclude now, coefficient of you can write this one, coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 equal to, it comes minus 128 into 12c7. 12c7, 12 minus 7, 5. 12, I can write 12c5, I can write. How sir? Difference of 12 and 7 is 5, 12c5. You simplify it also, or you can leave it. This is coefficient of a power 5 b power 7 equal to minus 120 12c5. I think 12c5 can simplify. Using NCR formula, you can simplify 12c5. That will be our answer. I hope you understood this. Next, evaluate root 3 plus root 4 whole power 4 minus root 3 minus root whole power 4 using binomial theorem. When they are asking using binomial theorem, they are asking to expand this. So before I will tell you a standard problem. For example, a plus b whole power 4. If I expand a plus b whole power 4, it will be 4c naught. You will get a power 4 plus 4c1, a power 4 minus 1, a cube b plus 4c2. I am telling complete expansion of this. You can see a 4c naught a power 4. I hope you understood. Just write all the 5 terms. 4c naught a power 4 plus 4c1 a cube b plus 4c2 a power 2 b square plus 4c3. See that expansion of this. You will get 4c3 4c3, you will get a b cube and 4c4 b power 4. This is the expansion of a plus b over 5 terms. Power a is going on decreasing, power b is going on increasing. B power 1, b square, b cube, b power 4. This is b power, finally b power 4, c4, b power 4. The final step, a power 0 it comes, no, a power 0, no need to write. Similarly, a minus b whole power 4. When I have taken a minus b whole power 4, we get alternative signs. 4c naught, a power 4 minus 4c1, a cube b plus 4c2, a square b square minus 4c3, ab cube plus 4c4, b power 4 it comes. Now, difference of these two if I consider. If I take difference of these two, left hand a plus b whole power, when I have taken a plus b, when I have taken, you can see here, a plus b whole power 4 minus a minus b whole power 4. If I take difference of this, I am subtracting this here. I am subtracting. If I take difference of this, if I take difference of this, you observe here, when I have taken difference of this, what it comes difference of this now? If I observe this one, I can eliminate difference of this means this will be minus, plus, minus. Then I am subtracting, right? So this will be minus, it will be plus, at the end minus. When I am subtracting, you can observe here, this one again, I can cancel these terms. I can eliminate this one. I can eliminate the last term also. This also same thing. I can eliminate the last term. I can eliminate. So a plus b whole power 4. I can eliminate this a plus b whole power 4 when I have taken this. When I have taken a plus whole power 4 minus a minus whole power 4. You will get this is twice. So 2 into it comes, you can observe here. When I simplify. So why are doing, because I am explaining. Sometimes they may change instead of root 3, root 4. They may give any other numbers. That's the reason I am doing like this. It will come 2 into, this is double term, 4c1 a cube b, 4c1 a cube b. This plus this twice, you will get 4c1 a cube b. Again here, 4c3 ab cube. 4c3 ab cube, I have taken that. 4c1 is 4, that we can know here. 2 into 4c1. 4c1 is 4a cube b. 4c3 is nothing but 4c1. 4 minus 3. Remember, 4c3, 4. This is also 4c1, 4 only. ab cube. It comes like this. So remember, 4c3, I am showing here. Remember, 4c3 is nothing but 4c3 is also equal to 4c1. To understand, I have written that 4c, you remember here, the bracket you can write here. Since 4c3 is equal to 4c1, which is 4. Both are same. This is 4c3. 4c1 4. That's the 4 I have written here. Now you can see 4c1 is equal to 4. Now you can see here, I can write the simple way. From this I can take it AB common. 4 also can take it common. It will be 8AB into A square plus B square. When I have taken 4 common, AB also I have taken common. It will be A square plus B square. Now the required one they are given root 3 plus root 4. That I can write now. Root 3 plus root 4 whole power 4 minus root 3 minus root 4 whole power 4 equal to, now you can see here, I can follow this answer, equal to 8AB. A means root 3, B means root 4 into, correct, A square, root 3 whole square, plus B means root 4 whole square. Just I'm replacing A with root 3, B with root 4. Replace A with root 3, B with root 4. So given this is root 4, root 3, root 4. Replace this. Correct. Now you can see your answer. 8 root 12. Because root 3 root 4 root 12. Instead you will get 3 plus 4. Because root 4 whole square. Root 3 whole square, 3 plus 4, 7. So this will be 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 56. So final answer it comes 56 root 12. So this is your answer. 56 root 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7, 8 is 56. Root 12 is your answer. Like this we can find. I hope you understood this. Anyone have doubt, you can ask me. I can explain again. Now find the term independent of x. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of cube root of x plus 1 by 2 into cube root of x whole power 18. They are asking. Find the term independent of x. So these are the problems they are asking in the, like in PUC exam. In PU exam they are asking this type of problems only. Now you can see now. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of cube root x plus 1 by 2 into cube root of x whole power 18. They are given like this. Now independent of x, they are asking whenever independent of x are coefficient, take general term. You write TR plus 1. TR plus 1 equal to NCR A power n minus R B power R. Now you write here T18 plus, not T18 plus 1, TR plus 1 is equal to, I can write n value 18, 18 CR. A means cube root is x power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3, remember, x power 1 by 3 whole power n minus r, 18 minus r. B means I can write 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 3 whole power r. Whole power r. I have written general term. Now when I have written general, you can observe when I have written general term now, which is equal to 18 CR, 18 CR. This will become here 1 by 2 whole power r, 1 by 2 whole power r. This is x power, you can see this is x power 18 minus r by 3, 18 minus r by 3. This one if we take it, this is 1 by x power r by 3. So it comes into x power minus r by 3 it comes. How sir? This is denominator. Well, you will get x power r by 3, take it up in the numerator, x power minus r by 3. What about this 2? 2 I have written here, 1 by 2 whole power r I have taken. Now, to get independent of x, see this again, this term I can write here, which is 18 CR. I can also write here, this is equal to 18 CR, 1 by 2 whole power r, x power 18 minus r by 3 minus r by 3. If we add this one, 18 minus 2r by 3. 18 minus 2r by 3. but they don't want x term. So that means x power 18 minus 2r by 3 should be equal to x power 0. Since to get independent of x, x power, so that you remember, x power 18 minus 3r by 2. Correct. X 18 minus only 18 minus r minus 18 minus 2r. X power 18 minus 2r by 2 should be equal to x power 0. I should take it x power 0. So we compare exponents. 18 minus 2r by 2 equal to 0. Then we get, if we substitute this one, 18 minus 2r equal to 0, then r is equal to 9. Correct? This is 18 minus 2r equal to 0, then r is equal to 9. We got r value 9. I hope we understood this. We got r is equal to 9. R value 9. R value 9 we got. This is 18 minus 2r. R is equal. That means if we replace r is equal to 9, we get independent of x. In general term, replace r with 9. If we replace r with 9 here, it comes t9 plus 1, t9 plus 1, which is equal to 18c. R value 9, 18c 9. 1 by 2 whole power 9, r is equal to 9. If we substitute x power, this will become 18, you can see here, x, you have written here 18cr, 1 by 2 whole power r, x power 18 minus 2r by 3. If we substitute in the place of r, 18 minus 18 by 3, 0 by 3, it comes x power 0. So final conclusion, T10 is equal to T9 plus 1, T10 is equal to 18C9 by 2 power 9 it comes. That's all. 18C9 2 power 9 is your answer. You can stop here. If you are able to do 18C9, you should simplify. 18C9 by 2 power 9 is your answer. Otherwise you should simplify. 18C9, use the binomial expansion. 18C9, use the formula, you simplify. As you can do 18C9 by 2 power 9 is your answer. Now, using binomial theorem, compute 98 whole power 5. See, just you can see this problem. Using binomial theorem, compute 98 whole power 5. Using binomial theorem, 98 whole power 5. Here, because numbers are bigger, I have done like this. Using compute 98 whole power 5. 98 I can write 100 minus 2 whole power 5. Using binomial theorem, power is 5c0, 100 power 5. 5c1, 100 power 5 minus 1, 4 into minus 2 whole power 1. 5c2, 100 power 5 minus 2, 3. Minus 2 whole power 2. 5c3, 100 power 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 2 whole power, the suffix will be is 5c3. The suffix will be the power of the second term of the binomial, minus 2 whole cube, plus 5c4, 100 whole power 5 minus 4, minus 2 whole power 4. 5c4, 100 power, you will get 5 minus 5, 0. 5c5, minus 2 whole power 5. This is the binomial expansion. I have taken just 5c0 is 1 only. 100 you expand 5 times. 100 into 5 times multiply. Again 5c1 is 5. Minus 2 into 100 you should multiply 4 times. You get into minus 2. You write 10 again. 5c2 is 10. You know how to find 5c2? We know 5c0 is 1. 5c1 is 5. When I have taken 5c2, I told NC2 like that. When you want to find 5c2, what is 5c2? 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. It comes, we simplify 10. Even 5c3, 5 minus 3, 5c2 both are same. This is also 10. That all I have written here, 5c3 10, 5c4 also, 5c4 is 5c, see 5c2 10, 5c3 also 10. What about 5c4? If we take 5c4, observe here, if we take 5c4, 5c4 is nothing but 5c1, 5 minus 4. 5c4, 5 minus 4, 5c1, which is equal to 5. That only I have written 5c. This is 5 into 100 into 2 minus 2 whole power 4, 16. Plus, here 5c5 is 1. Minus 2 whole power 5 minus 32. We get plus minus plus minus. You multiply this plus minus plus minus. You should be careful when you are doing addition. You add these values. You subtract. See, all positive values I have taken added. All negative values I subtracted here. Negative values this and this I have taken and subtracted this. Final answer is this. When they are giving this, suppose my suggestion is when they are giving in the choice, you try to do this, because you don't have any other way, means you should try to do this problem. Otherwise, many people they made a mistake when they are doing simplification. The people they're overconfident about addition and subtraction. They may do mistake here. You should be careful when you are doing this type of problem. Simplification, we get this one. I hope you understood this. Right. One more problem. Using binomial theorem, indicate which number is larger. 1.1 whole power 10,000 or 1000. Which is larger, they are asking. Which one is larger, they are asking. They are given two numbers. Which one is larger? So, using binomial theorem, indicate which number is larger. 1.1 whole power 10,000 or 1000. You take 1.1 whole power 10,000. 1.1 can be written as 1 plus 0.1 whole power 10,000. Expansion binomial. Like NC naught. 10,000 C naught 1 power 10,000. 10,000 C1 1 power 9,999 into 0.1 whole power 1. And so on, some positive terms. We'll get it because you will get 10,001 terms. If you expand, you get 10,001 terms. So plus some positive terms. Because you get only positive, you never get negative terms here. So you write 10,000 C naught is 1. 1 power anything 1. Plus 10,000 into 10,000 C1 is 10,000. 0.1 into 0.1. If you multiply this, 1 into 1, 1. 10,000 into 0.1 is 1000. Plus some positive terms. You will get 1001 plus some positive terms. Clearly, 1.1 whole power 10,000 is 1001 plus some positive terms. That means this entire value greater than 1000. So that means 1.1 whole power 10,000 greater than 1000. That way I can do the simple way. We can do that. Now 8th problem. After that I will go for 8th and 9th. After that I will do the 5 marks problems only. Only one problem for 5 marks, that's all. So find the coefficient of x power 6 y cube in the expansion of x plus 2y whole power 9. Find the coefficient of x power 6 y cube in the expansion of x plus 2y whole power 9. So whenever they are asking coefficient or independent term, take general term. TR plus 1, NCR, A power n minus R, B power R. Always you take this. B power R, you write now. So 9C, again which is equal to n value 9. 9CR, A means x power 9 minus R, B means 2y whole power R. So this will become here 9CR, this is 2 power R, x power 9 minus R, x power 9 y power R. But x power 9 by y should be equal to x power 6 y cube. They are asking coefficient of x power 6 y cube. So what I can do now, x power I can make it here also. X power 9 minus R, y power should be equal to x power 6 y cube. Comparing both of the powers, 9 minus R equal to 6 and R is equal to 3. This 9 minus R equal to 6, R equal to 3, both are satisfying. R equal to 3. Either you take 9 minus r equal to 6 or r equal to 3, both are correct, r equal to 3. So if we replace r equal to 3 here, t3 plus 1, we'll get 9c, r value 3, 9c3, 2 power 3, x power 9 minus 3, y power 3. It comes t4, t3 plus 1. It comes t4 is equal to 9c3. Don't write 9c6 here. 9c3 suffix is smaller only. If it is 9c6, 9c3 I can write. Don't write now 9 minus 3, 9c6. Because the number is smaller, no need to write bigger number here. 9c3. You know 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1. It will be 2 cube is 8. X power 6 y cube. They are asking x power 6 y cube coefficient only. If I simplify this one, you can see here, I can write 3 3's and this one 2 4's. You can simplify now. What becomes, you multiply this. You multiply this one, it comes here 24 into 28 into x power 6 y cube. You multiply 24 and 28. That is the coefficient of x power 6 into y cube. Right, because you get the correct answer. You can simplify this, you will get the answer right. You multiply, you can write a coefficient of x power 6 y cube is equal to, you can write, therefore coefficient of conclusion. Coefficient of x power 6 y cube is equal to coefficient of x power 6 y cube equal to 24 into 28. You multiply this. You multiply and you write your answer. I hope you understood. You can write this one right. You got that point. You can multiply that, you write that value. You get the answer. Now, expand. Sometimes they will ask expansion. X square plus x 3 by 5 whole power 5. Just binomial expansion. When they are asking binomial expansion, expand x square plus 3 whole power 5. If you expand, you will get 6 terms you will get. See, when there are x square plus 3 whole power 5 equal, I can write x square plus 3 by 5. X square plus 3 by 5 whole power 5. I can write 5c naught. X square whole power 5. 5c1, this is a binomial expansion, whole power 5. 5c1, x square, reduce the power of first term, 4. Now here second term will start, 3 by 5, whole power 1. 5c2, x square, 5c2, 5c2, x square, whole, here whole power for whole cube into 3 by 5 whole square plus 5c3 x square whole power whole square into 3 by 5 whole cube plus 5c4 x square whole power 1 and 3 by 5 whole power 4. The last one, 5c5 3 by 5 whole power 5, just binomial expansion. 5c5 3 by 5 whole power 5, 5c5 3 by 5 whole power 5. You expand, which is equal to 5c naught is 1, x power 10. 5c1 is 5, x power 8 into 3 by 5, x power 8 is 3 by 5. You write this one, you will get again here You are simplifying 5, 5c1 by x power 8 into 3 by 5 plus 5c2 10. You simplify 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. X power 6. 3 by 5 you will get this one. 3 by 5 means you will get 9 by 25. 9 by 25. 9 by 25. 5c3 also. 5c3, 5c2, 10 only it comes here. I can write this one. 10 into x power 4. 3 cube is 27 by 125. 5 cube. Just expand this one. 125. Right? I have written 5c3. 5c3 value 10 into x power 4. 27 by 125. This is 125. 5c4 is 5. 5 into x square into 3 power 4. 81 by 625. Plus 5c5 is 1. 3 power 5. 243 by, you will get this one, 625 into 5. 3125. 3125. If you want, I can simplify here. It is the final step. I can write 5 will get cancelled here. This will be 5 2's 5 5's. I can simplify this one. Here again 5 2's and 5 25's. I can simplify. And this one 5 125's. I can simplify. Then you can write final answer. You can write. After simplification, we can write final answer. X power 10 plus this is the 3x power 8. 3x power 8. This one. Again, this is the 18 by 5. X power 18 by 5. You can see here x power 8, x power 6. X power 6. This one. Again, at 54 by 25. 54 by 25 x power 4 plus this will be 81 125 x square, 81 by 125 x square, the last term 243 by 3125. We can write 3125, we can write. So that will be the binomial expansion. Sometimes they may ask expand binomial theorem. That is a simple, direct, you can do that. When they are asking, just follow the binomial statement, you expand it, you simplify. You practice, you should practice 2-3 times, then only you will understand, otherwise you will feel difficult. You should practice that. The binomial expansion, you should practice that. Now you can see now, another one. Find the coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of x plus 3 whole power 8. They are asking coefficient of x power 5. In the x plus 3 whole power 8. So always you write general term. TR plus 1. NCR. A power n minus R. B power R. You write what is n value? 8. 8 CR. A means x power n minus R. B means 3 power R. They are asking coefficient of x power 5. That means x power n minus R should be equal to 5. That means x power n minus R n minus should be equal to x power 5. They are asking this one. Sir, 8 is n value I can write here, n value I can write here. 8 minus R, 3 power R. This is 8 minus R equal to 5. You will get 8 minus R is equal to 5. R is equal to 3. We got R value 3, right? R value 3 we got. 8 minus R equal to R is equal to 3. Substitute R equal to 3 here. It comes T3 plus 1. Correct? We substitute T3 plus 1. T3 plus 1. If we substitute T3 plus 8C3 x power 8 minus 3, 3 power 3. 8 minus 3, 5, it comes 8C3. It comes, this is 27 into x power 5. 3 cube is 27, I have written. The coefficient, this is T4, the term is T4, right? Left side you will get T4. Therefore, coefficient of x power 5 is 8C3 into this. Therefore, coefficient of x power 5 is equal to, therefore, coefficient of x power 5 is equal to coefficient of x power 5, write x power 5 equal to, I can write 8C3 into 8C3 into 27. If you want 8C, I can simplify. 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1 into 27. You can stop here. If you want to simplify 8C3. 8 into 7, this is 8 into 7 into 6. You simplify 3 to 6. Then you will get 8 into 7, 56 and 20. You should multiply that. You will get the answer. You can multiply 56 into 27. That you write that value. You multiply and you write that value. That is your required answer. So that will be, you use coefficient of x power 5 in the given problem. Coefficient of x power 5. I hope you understood this. Is clear. The last I am going to explain the 5 marks problem now. So this is the coefficient of x power 5 they asked here. Using 8 we have done this one. Right. You find 50, 27, you will get the answer. Now 5 marks question. This is the last one. So with this I am completing 5 marks question now. Right. This is the 5 marks question. With this we will complete the session today. Definitely they are asking this question for 5 marks. This is important to understand. Try to practice. No doubt. Every year they are asking this question. Every year they are asking this problem. Every year they are asking definite question. Every year they are asking, you should solve that. Directly you can learn, every practice. If 3 to 4 times you should practice definite question in the exam. They are going to ask definite question. You should practice this. The binomial theorem. I am going to explain this now. Definite question. You can see now. The given here. State and prove binomial theorem for any positive integer n. State and prove binomial theorem for any positive integer n. State and prove binomial theorem for any positive integer n. So you can take, if you end by any two real numbers, and for any positive integer n, a plus b whole power n is equal to nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 p power 1, nc2 a power n minus 2 p square and so on plus ncn p power n. Now we can prove this using binomial theorem. Using mathematical induction. We can prove binomial theorem using mathematical induction. What is mathematical induction? Let it be considered, let p of n be the given statement. This entire statement let it be p of n. In mathematical induction, you should prove for n is equal to 1. Assume it is true for k. Prove that it is also true for n equal to k plus 1. You take p of 1. So let p of n is given statement. P of 1. What is p of 1? Replace n is equal to 1 in both the sides. A plus b whole power 1. You will get 1c naught a power 1. Here all the terms you won't get here. If we get here 1c1 a power 1 minus 1 b power 1, that's all. You won't get other terms. If we simplify 1c naught is 1. 1 into a. 1c1 also 1 only. A power 0 to b power 1 it comes 1 into a plus 1 into 1 into b, a plus b. We got a plus b whole power n equal to a plus b, then p of 1 is true. In mathematical induction, we use this method to prove that. Put n is equal to 1 both the sides, we got a plus b whole power 1 is equal to a plus b, so p of 1 is true. Assume that p of k is true for some positive integer k. Replace the given problem n with n is equal to k, a plus b whole power k equal to, wherever n, replace k, kc0 a power k, kc1 a power k minus 1 b power 1, kc2 a power k minus 2 b square, and so on, plus kck b power k. Now we need to prove that p of k plus 1 is also true. For that, to get p of k plus 1 is true means multiply equation 1 both the sets with a plus b. Multiply a plus b on both the sets of equation 1. Then we get one more term extra here, right? A plus b whole power k into a plus b is equal to, write this expression into a plus b. A plus b whole power k plus 1 is equal to, multiply kc0 a power k into a, kc0 a power k plus 1, kc0 a power k into b, kc, you can see multiplying this. First I will multiply with a all the terms. kc1 a power k minus 1 into a, it will come kc1 a power k into b. Next kc2 a power k minus 1 into b square, and so on, plus kck a into b power k. Multiply with a. Next, when you are multiplying with the b, start from here, leave one term gap here, you start here. kc0 a power k into b, kc0 a power k into b. You multiply everything with the b, we get this expression. Now when I am adding, this is first term as it is. When you are adding here, you can see a power k b, a power k b. Take a power k b common, kc1 plus kc0. Again, you can also write here. Same thing, I can also write kc2 plus kc1 and a power k minus 1 b square, and so on. We add kck plus kck minus 1 a into b power k. Last term, kck b power k plus 1. Just add. When you are adding, take the common. You may confuse, but you should practice this. Now you can see here, when I have taken here, we know one formula in binomial. Why not in like in permutation combination? NCR plus NCR minus 1 always equal to n plus 1 CR. This formula we know one formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1 n plus 1 CR. They are using this one, you can see here. Even KC0 is equal to 1 is also k plus 1 C0. We know that KC0 is also 1, which is also KC0 also 1, and also k plus 1 C0 also can make it. Both are same. When I am saying here, suppose KC0 is equal to 1, which is equal to k plus 1 C0. These are both are same values. Again, I told this formula. Suppose KCR plus KCR minus 1, k plus 1 CR, that one we mentioned here. This is the formula we mentioned here. KCR plus KCR minus 1 equal to k plus 1 CR. That all I mentioned here. KCR plus KCR minus 1, k plus 1 CR. Using this formula, replace n with k. KCR minus 1, k plus 1 CR. KCK, last term. KCK is 1, or remember, KCK is equal to 1 and also equal to k plus 1 CK plus 1. So both are same. This is also 1. KCK is also 1, and also I can write k plus 1 CK plus 1 also equal to 1 only. Because I am going to prove for k plus 1. All terms you replace using this equation. You replace all here. Here you write KC0 means k plus 1 C0. Here adding this to using this formula, you will get k plus 1 C1 a power kb, k plus 1 C2 a power k minus 1 b square, and so on. The last term, KCK replaced with k plus 1 CK plus 1. Then wherever k, we got k plus 1. You can verify in the given statement, in the statement 1, you can verify wherever k, we have k plus 1 here. So p of k plus 1 is true whenever p of k is true. Hence by PMI means principle of mathematical induction. Hence by PMI, binomial theorem is proved. Hence PMI, binomial theorem is proved. So like this, we should practice this, no doubt. They are going to ask 5 marks or 6 marks, they are going to ask this. Sometimes 6 marks. 5 marks they are going to ask this one. You should practice this. Definite question, you should practice this, no doubt. This is a definite question, you should practice this. You can learn NCR plus NCR minus 1, N plus 1 CR. This is important one, definite question. So with this I am going to complete the session. With this I have completed. So binomial theorem definite, you should learn that. Now if you like the session, you can like it, that is your choice. If you are happy with the classes, please like the session. Then see you in the next class. Thank you. See you in the next class. Yeah. See you tomorrow then. If you understood, you can like the session. Because you should practice more here. That is important. Binomial, you should practice more. Otherwise, difficult to understand. Practice more. You should practice. You may feel difficult, but you should practice. If you understood means you can like the session. I hope it's clear. Then see you in the next class. The people will feel difficult in binomial theorem, even though you should practice, that is important, you should practice. Without practice, very difficult to get. Then fine. See you tomorrow.